The handy guide to understanding Refreshments Table. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common but often overlooked phrase you might encounter at events, meetings, or parties. It's the refreshments table. Whether you're attending a formal gathering or a casual get-together, knowing what this term means will not only boost your English vocabulary but also your confidence in social situations. Let's get started. The phrase, refreshments table, consists of two key parts, refreshments and table. Refreshments refer to any food and drinks offered during an event or meeting. These can range from simple snacks and water to more elaborate options like sandwiches, tea, coffee, or even cocktails. The table is quite literally the piece of furniture where these refreshments are placed. It serves as a designated spot where guests can help themselves to whatever food and drinks are available. Understanding each part of this phrase helps clarify that a refreshments table is a specific area set aside for eating and drinking during a gathering. The refreshments table plays a crucial role in social events. It's not just about the food and drinks. It's a social hub, a place where attendees can gather, mingle, and engage in conversations. Whether it's a wedding reception, a business conference, or a birthday party, the refreshments table offers a casual and relaxed setting for people to meet and chat. It also reflects the host's hospitality, showing care and consideration for the guests' comfort and needs. Depending on the event's formality and the host's preferences, the variety and presentation of refreshments can vary widely. Casual gatherings. For informal events, the refreshments table might include simple snacks, such as chips, cookies, and soda. Formal events. At more formal occasions, the table might feature a variety of gourmet foods, specialty drinks, and even a serving staff. Cultural and thematic events. Some refreshments tables are tailored to reflect cultural traditions or the theme of the event, offering a unique and immersive experience. The refreshments table is more than just a place to grab a bite. It's a pivotal element of social gatherings, offering a space for interaction and enjoyment. Next time you attend an event, you'll not only know what to expect when you hear the term but also appreciate the thoughtful arrangement behind it. We hope this video enhances your English learning journey and your understanding of social event customs. See you at the next one.